perfectly honest, it's a little surreal that we are in Korea right now. Just like 13-14 hours ago we were still back in the States, and like we're already here, which is just so exciting. We haven't been back in about a year and a half, so I'm really excited to be back in Korea. And this time we're back here in the summertime, which is very different from when we were here last time during the winter, so it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna be here for about 5 to 6 days, but we have a lot of plans, and so it's gonna be super exciting, and I'm really looking forward to everything we have planned. How do you feel about the weather?
It's already getting pretty hot.
It is pretty hot.
6:28 in the morning, so I'm gonna have to take this jacket off soon.
A little nervous about Korea's summer weather, but we shall see.
It'll be fun. Quite the long day. We got to Incheon, like the Incheon airport at 4 a.m. and it is currently 11 a.m. and we're already in Busan. We've been on trains for like 4 hours now.
Lots of trains, lots of public transportation in the last 16 hours-ish.
Yeah.
It's been crazy, but for this trip, basically the plan is that we'll start off here in Busan, and then tomorrow night, I believe, we'll be heading off to Seoul and spending the rest of the time there. The rest of our trip, which is like 3 or 4 days in Seoul.
Yeah.
There's just some stuff here in Busan that we missed from our trip like a year and a half ago, so we wanted to come back and revisit those things. We're very sentimental people, so we like revisiting places, but just excited about Busan. Anything you're looking forward to?
Well, your Roman Empire is that one symbol that's carrying like a fish cake skewer.
There's this little plushie. We'll hopefully be able to show it later when we find it, but I've been thinking about that little plushie since when we came to Busan our first time.
In December 2022.
Yeah, I just thought he was really cute, and I have regrets for not getting him. Anything you're looking forward to, though?
I'm looking forward to the food, because we had some really good restaurants while we were here. For whatever reason, while we were in Seoul, we were too afraid to go into Korean restaurants, but here we went to 2 or 3 at least that were really good.
They have good food here in Busan. Definitely looking forward to that.
Catch us when we get to our Airbnb.
Hello.
We have finally made it to our Airbnb and we dropped off our baggage. So we're free of all that weight.
2 50-pound suitcases. It was not fun. But we are now on our way to this Gomtang place that we really liked the first time we came to Busan. So just wanted to go back and visit again and eat it again.
It's near Haeundae, and so we're going to get over there, and then right after we'll take the little beach train that they have over there.
Yep. See you.
Blue Line Park near the Miffy station where the Haeundae beach train is.
We have tickets booked for 3 o'clock and it's currently 2:50. So we have a little bit of time to kill before we have to get on the train.
So we're taking some pictures and videos, but we're really excited. We finally have some food in our stomachs, which was so good.
It was amazing.
And so we feel a lot more ready to kind of hit up today's attractions.
Yeah. Today's weather is also really nice, which is really a plus because we kind of thought that mid-June would be a lot warmer.
Yeah.
But it's actually kind of overcast today, and then also so much warmer than when we were here back in December a few years ago. But very excited to take the train. Hopefully the views are nice. Excited?
Gwangalli Beach.
We have done so much today. This is our, like, I don't know what number stop, but...
Yeah, I lost track, honestly.
So, the Blue Line Park was very, very fun. It was really beautiful. Got a lot of pictures.
We picked up her Roman Empire. He's in here.
Yeah, a little seagull plushie. And then we're here at Gwangalli Beach, and it's very beautiful. It's 6:30, and everybody is like out. There's people busking over there.
Weather's nice. You can see pretty far, I feel like.
Yeah, so many people just sitting in the sand too, and like dogs. But the vibes are just really good right now.
Yeah. But for us, we're probably gonna chill here a little bit longer, and then we'll head back to our Airbnb to move our luggage.
We've been traveling for so long, and we just kind of want to settle down and get settled in a little bit before heading back out to eat dinner. Korea has so many little stores just everywhere, and we've been having such a good time just walking around and like collecting trinkets. Currently, we are in a music store, as you can probably see. There's a really big K-pop section, which is really cool. It's like all over there. And then here is the Western section. There's also a lot of vinyl. And so we've just been having a really good time walking around and checking everything out. Do you want to come talk about how cool this place is?
This is so cool. There's like Korean drama OST vinyls. There's like a bunch of Disney vinyls here. There's some from the anime movie Your Name.
Just as an example, has anybody ever seen this? Your Name, right?
Yeah, you might be able to find it. You'll probably be able to find it in Japan, but not anywhere else.
We've never seen this in the States, which is like, wow. If we were a really big fan, we would get this.
And then I got a few K-pop albums from the boy group 17, because they're like our favorite boy group.
It's just been so fun kind of just like walking around. This place is really, really big. We kind of tried to hold off buying K-pop albums in the States because we knew we'd be going on this trip, and we thought that this would be a really good chance to get everything because it's cheaper here too. So that's what's happening currently. We spent a lot of time here already.
And there's so many vinyls. There's like BJ vinyls, Paul Simon, just a bunch of old Japanese vinyls too. So it's been really cool to look through everything.
Yeah, been having a really good time. Talk about how good it is.
Yeah, I like my food hot, so I've been eating a lot more of it, but it's really good. It's aglio olio, but it's not very traditional, I would say. But it's a little more peppery than usual, and then very garlicky.
We have little pieces of like mushroom, and then also tomatoes in it.
Broccoli too.
Those are very good.
Yeah.
This is like our first real meal of the day. We had a coffee earlier, which is really good. But this is our first meal, and well worth the wait. It's about almost 2 right now, I think.
Yep. We were worried that if we ate, that we wouldn't be able to eat this.
It's really a struggle when you're traveling. It's like you want to be able to eat as much as you can, like the good stuff. And so you don't want to eat too much of like things that you can find elsewhere, or like things that don't need as much.
Yeah, like instant food. But the worst part is that convenience store food is also something that is part of the experience.
Yes, like the convenience store food here in Korea and everywhere in Asia, really. What am I doing? It's really good. So like sometimes we also like to just default to that, which means we have less meals eating at like actual restaurants. But
I think this time around we've done a really good job of eating at actual restaurants.
last time we were in Korea, we were a little too afraid to go around to actual restaurants because we don't speak the language. Just speaking English felt kind of weird. So we were just too shy, but this time around I feel like we've really been making an effort to stop eating as much convenience store food. And it's been nice. It's really fun to do that.
Food obviously is much better at actual restaurants.
Yeah. Don't be shy. Just do it.
I feel like no one judges you either.
No one's gonna remember you.
It's true.
So that's the goal for this trip, to eat more restaurant food and not be shy about it. at the Miffy Cafe in Busan.
And it's so overwhelmingly cute. The cafe itself is actually up there, but we're in like the store part. And there's an actual store over there, but there's also all these rooms set up with like little cardboard cutouts of Miffy characters.
I'm not sure, but they're just so cute. You get to take pictures with all of them, and we've just kind of been doing that.
It's a total photo op room. There's
so
multiple
cute.
rooms actually of it.
Yeah.
And this is your dream come true, honestly.
It is. I love Miffy. We have more rooms to go to take more pictures with, but then we're gonna go to the store, which already looks very exciting. I'm so excited. I feel like I can't put this into words.
Just like peeking over, there's suitcases and lamps and other stuff.
This is so fun. It was quite a ride getting out here. We just called an Uber and they took us right here, but it's very hilly, and so like we saw a lot of people like hiking up to get here.
We came to a cafe. Last time we were in Busan, we came to a cafe that's just around the corner from here, and it was such a trek. So this time we just decided to buy a taxi, and it was amazing because we didn't have to go uphill.
Yeah.
I'm here for the store and the merch. That's why I came.
I know they have food too, and it also looks really cute. So we'll see. We'll see if we end up eating anything. To Seoul.
It was a really long, kind of miserable journey, but we finally made it, and I think we're just gonna shower, go to sleep, and call it a day.
But yeah, that's it for our little Busan trip. We had a really fun time in Busan. The KTX, I don't know about anybody else, but we have not had a good experience with the KTX, like ever. It's always been somewhat traumatizing and stressful, but we're finally here in Seoul, so that's good. Tomorrow's gonna be a shopping day.
Hopefully it's a little more relaxed now that we don't have to move for a few days. Probably gonna try and sleep in tomorrow at least.
Hope you stick around for the Seoul vlogs.